Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. So today I'm making the viral Dubai chocolate. So I'm making a white chocolate with Biscoff one and also the pistachio Dubai chocolate as well. So first of all I added in some white chocolate just for decoration. I will put the milk chocolate with the Kunafa inside after. This in a separate one. I made the Biscoff one by layering some white chocolate. And then I got some Biscoff spread. And then I got some caramel Biscoff biscuits. And these just have to be broken into smaller pieces and mixed in with the Biscoff butter. So I just smashed them down with a spoon, making sure they're smaller in size. And then this is after they were all broken down. And then make sure you put the white chocolate into the freeze to set, as it works better if you do that. And then add in the Biscoff mixture. And then add some chocolate. I ran out of white chocolate, so then I decided to use some milk chocolate as I had some of this extra. So I just melted them in some hot water. I just kept melting them until it was nice and smooth, and then I just added the milk chocolate on top to cover the layer. These molds are available on Amazon. You get one and we get two in one pack. And they are quite big and thick molds, so they're quite good because it does last a bit longer if it's bigger in size, the chocolate. Okay, so once I added the layer, I just spread it all out. And then in a separate pan, I started to make the Kunafa mixture for the second chocolate, which was the Dubai chocolate. So I got some ghee, which is butter, and then I added some of the Kunafa mixture. This is also known as vermicelli. So this process, you just fry them in the ghee or butter until it turns a golden colour. It does slightly shrink in size as well as it's getting fried. So once it's fried, I added in the pistachio cream. You can get this in B&M store or Amazon. I got this one from B&M. Some supermarkets also sell them. And the cream just melted in with the mixture because the pan was still warm. I added a little bit more. So you can decide how much you want it to be, whether you want it to be more pistachio ratio or whether you want it to be quite dry. I wanted mine to be quite dry because I wanted to keep as much crunch as I could, and I didn't want it to be overly creamy or dripping, so I didn't use much pistachio. I used more Kunafa, but if you want it to be more pistachio cream, you can always add more. It is optional. So here it is. It was really nice, very crunchy, and it goes really well with the chocolate. I would say it's one of my favourite chocolates I have had so far. You definitely need to try making this. And the second one was the milk chocolate with Biscoff. The white chocolate came out a little bit soft, but it's tasted so good. So after making that, I had some takeout. So I had crispy duck with some noodles, pad thai noodles, and this was from a halal Thai restaurant. This is one of my favourite foods that they sell there because the duck is so nice and crunchy, and the sauce is really nice and creamy. You can taste the coconut cream in there, and it's also spicy, and it's got all the different flavours: salty, spicy, sweet, creamy. And the pad thai is really nice as well. It has a nice sweet taste to it. And after that, for dinner, I had made my own food. So I made some biryani. It was a chicken biryani, and I had made some dal. The next day for lunch, I had some liver. So this was lamb liver that my mum had made. It was very nice. It was marinated in different spices, so you could really taste the different flavours. And I just had it with chips because I wasn't feeling rice, but it did go really well with the chips as well. The liver was very tender, and it also had some coriander sprinkled on top, which added some extra taste. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.